Hello everyone, today I'm going to review different storage pricing and plans for Microsoft OneDrive. So let's begin. I did such comparison about 2 or maybe 3 years ago. Let's see if any changes was applied by Microsoft and what we can choose from them. Okay, generally everything is pretty well described on Microsoft webpage. This webpage I'm going to share on first comment, so you will be easily to find this web page. After we open the web page, please remember that subscription in Microsoft 365 is split to home and business one. Business is totally different topic, and I'm not going to talk about it today. I'm going to just focus on home subscription that we can choose for private purpose maybe. So let's see. No many changes currently in Microsoft. You can choose the free subscription just to log in on Microsoft webpage, and that's it. Using this subscription, you will get from Microsoft 3 gigabits of cloud storage, but also you can get some additional services. Maybe not of you are aware, but using the free subscription you can use some application on the web like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, OneNote, OneDrive. So this is pretty nice additional application because it's for free. So this is very nice. What else? You have some subscription that you need to pay for that. If you like to extend your OneDrive space, you need to choose some additional one. The cheapest one costs about $20 yearly, and you will get 100 cloud storage, but also some additional features. You can also choose the personal subscription. It's more expensive, definitely more expensive. It costs about $100 yearly, and you will get 1 terabyte of data that you can extend. But you can also get additional services or features, whatever I call it, like some application that you can install on your computer. And the most expensive subscription is the family one, when you can share between your family, friends, colleague, whatever. This subscription will also extend your cloud storage, but you need to remember that such storage will be shared between all members of your family. So for one person you have 1 terabyte of data, and the rest of your family, friends, the same. When you would like to consider what exactly to choose, please review every feature and every application that is associated with the subscription. You can scroll down a little bit and you can easily compare some feature just to expanding some categories on the left, and you will be easily able to compare everything. For example, let me just expand the Microsoft storage, and you see everything is pretty well prepared and you can easily compare. We can see some maybe creativity tools. You see that some tools are assigned, are available in more expensive subscription, definitely not for in the free one and the basic. You can see some advanced security that are covered by some subscription. So Microsoft prepared pretty nice page for that, and I think everything is well described here, and you will be easily able to choose just to spend some time to avoid big costs. So if you're looking just only bigger storage in the cloud, I think maybe the good idea will be just to use the basic one, that will extend the cloud storage to 100 of gigabyte. But maybe you are also looking for other feature applications, so you need to choose the personal or family. And generally that's it. I think like for free and like a starter to see how this technology looks like and work, use just only the free option. Log in, and that's it. But from other hand, I think there is a lot of different vendors, companies that can offer you additional storage, even more than 5 gigabits for free. And I'm going to compare such cloud storage for free in different movie, and I will attach also the shortcut at the end of this movie that you can easily check and choose the best option for you. Okay, so it's everything. Thank you for your time and hear you soon.